For our last bit of information about sets, we're going to take a look at a simple set comprehension. So we've now seen several different types of comprehensions, and sets have comprehensions as well. Let me start with a list of numbers that contains some duplicate values in the range 1 through 10. And when you deal with a set comprehension, it actually uses similar syntax to a dictionary comprehension. It's defined in a set of curly braces. The main difference is what appears to the left of the for keyword in the comprehension is not going to be a key value pair. It's just going to be an expression that evaluates to the key that should be inserted into the new set that we're creating. So here's a sample set comprehension. In this case, we're going to walk through each item in the numbers sequence, and you can see there are some duplicates there. We're going to check each item to see if it's divisible by by 2, which will result in a comparison of true with 0. That would mean that it is an even number. So we're going to walk through these numbers and find all the even values, and for each of those values we're going to add that item into the new set that we're creating. Now, of course, if any of those are duplicate values, and there are some duplicate even numbers in that list up above, those duplicates will not be inserted into the set. So after that operation, if we go ahead and evaluate evens, we can see only the even numbers from the list defined back in snippet 1.